Smith family farm, and I'm gonna do some habanero pepper sauce. And the first thing we do is wash our jars and scald them real good. I boil mine in boiling water as well as the lids to make sure they're good and clean. And then when I start the next process, I'll pick up from there on the video. Okay, as you can see here, we have our jars. Gonna boil them and get them hot. We have our lids going here. And by the way, I live in a tiny house. And this is my tiny kitchen my son-in-law did for me. And then here is our peppers. And we're going to have to cut the ends of them off and get them ready while our jars are coming to a boil. Okay, once we get our jars scalded in the water, we're going to take our peppers and we're going to pack them down in the jars. Just put as many in there as you can get in there, but just leave a little bit of room at the top. This is kind of what we're looking at. We'll just keep putting our peppers in the jar. And while we're doing this, we've got the vinegar coming to a boil on the stove. And then once it comes to a boil, we're going to cover the top of the peppers. And then my neighbor taught me a little trick. You take a tablespoon of cooking oil and just pour it on the top, and it'll make them get even hotter. Which I think these are going to be plenty hot peppers when they're done. But we had 3 jars out of this batch. Our vinegar boiling here in the pan. And once it comes to a boil, we'll pour that over the top. Okay, for our next step, we've got our vinegar warmed up. And we're going to take a measuring cup. And we're going to pour the vinegar over the top. Then we're going to take, I use Crisco oil, as you can see, and we're going to put not quite a tablespoon. Over the top of each one. Set this to the side. Okay, let me reach over here and get a spoon and kind of push them little fellows down in there a little bit. Make sure we got enough coverage of vinegar in there. Then we're going to get our lids. And I always remember that this stuff is very hot. Put your lids on here. And these don't have to seal like some stuff that you can. You just do and put your That one fell off. Just put her back on there. And let's get another lid. Okay. You can see they've got plenty of room in there. Move around. Have a little growing space in there.